Want to sound more natural in Russian? Start with these 5 easy habits. First, greet like a local. Use time-specific phrases instead of just hello. For example, say Добрый день in the afternoon or Доброе утро in the morning.
Добрый день. Доброе утро.
A student once entered a classroom at 3 p.m. and said Доброе утро, then learned to switch it up fast to Добрый день.
Добрый день.
Next, in conversations casually with давай or давай. It's like saying see ya.
Давай.
Our American students swapped formal goodbyes for давай and sounded way cooler.
Давай.
For polite requests, simple is best. Just say можно, meaning may I.
Можно?
One student learned to ask можно в туалет instead of bluntly demanding bathroom access.
Можно в туалет?
Russians skip small talk and get right to the point. It's efficient, not rude. Don't worry about how are you. You don't have to ask about my life first. Just ask a direct question, for example, где словарь, to be clear and natural.
Где словарь?
Last but not least, when entering a Russian home, always take off your shoes immediately. One student was stopped right away and offered slippers. Respect is key in Russian homes.
Тапочки.
These 5 simple cultural habits make you sound like a real local in Russian. Ready to impress? Practice greetings, polite words, and simple customs daily. Try it now, say Добрый день. And don't forget those shoes. Давай.